knocks on your door and asks for $20. Does he look suspicious? What would you do? Leave your comments.
Put the box down. Leave that box there. That's not yours. Can I help you?
Yeah. Could you help a homeless person out with $20 so I can get a chance?
I don't have $20 and I can't get up right now.
All right.
The camera shows a strange man ring the doorbell. Looks like he's up to no good in the middle of the night. The owner did not quite understand the words he was saying. Here is the clip.
What was that?
Hi there. My name's Joseph.
I can't hear you. Talk louder, man.
Oh, hi. My name's Joseph.
Man, it's. What are you saying?
I've been walking all night. I have nowhere to stay.
Bro, it's fucking 12 o'clock at night, man. What you doing ringing my bell?
It's 12 o'clock at night?
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock, man.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry.
There is a man standing in front of your house. Then he starts having a strange behavior. Let's watch.
Can I help you?
Hey, how you doing? I don't mean to knock on your door, but I just got assaulted by my girl. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't no snitch.
You had to call.
She put
You had to call.
It's okay. No, it's okay. No, look, it's okay. It's okay. I ain't no snitch. I don't mean to bother nobody. But I was down on my truth. Me respecting a black queen, a black woman. Put hands on me. But it's all good. Because guess what? Cops come through, they will shoot me, taking the arm on the wrong. But I ain't no wrong. I gonna put hands on me. I ain't even do nothing. It's all good.
Lewiston, Maine, is 6 a.m. in the morning when everyone is getting ready for work, and all of the sudden your Ring doorbell camera records a clip of a car slamming into a front yard fence, damaging your front property. Thank God no one was hurt. St. Paul, Minnesota. This crazy suspect shows up at homeowner's front door and trying to break in with a knife. Let's observe.
Bro, unlock it. I can see it through the shadow.
This strange man looking for someone named Big Mike, pretty sure he got the wrong house. Or up to no good.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Can I help you?
Can you hear me? Yeah, is Big Mike here? Big Mike.
Excuse me?
Big Mike. Bad.
Big Mike.
I appreciate your time, and remember guys, stay alert at all times. Be safe, and thank you for watching.